Disabling tap to wake on your iPhone 16 helps prevent accidental screen activation when your phone is in your pocket, bag, or wallet, helping to conserve battery life. Here's how to disable this feature on the new iPhone. To begin, go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Scroll towards the physical and motor section, and then tap on touch. Find tap to wake from the list of options, and then tap to turn off the switch next to it. Doing so disables the feature. Disabling tap to wake on your iPhone can prevent accidental screen activations, such as when your phone is in your pocket or bag, thereby saving battery life and reducing unnecessary screen activity. With this feature disabled, your screen will only wake up when you use Raise to Wake or press the side button. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more smartphone tutorial videos.